Dear student, in previous video we solved two different methods on balancing method. So one is analytical method and another graphical method to solve the problems and based on the balancing. So in this problems here also I am going to solve by analytical method, but it is quite different. Okay, so the question is that five masses A, B, C, D and E are attached to the shaft, okay, and resolve in the same plane, right? The mass of A is 250 Newton, B is 160 Newton, C is 210 Newton respectively, and the radii of rotation are equal. The angular position of the masses B, C, D and E are 60 degree, 135 degree, 210 degree and 270 degree from the mass A. Calculate the magnitude of D and E for complete balance, and here it is required to solve by analytical method. Okay, so here I am going to write what are the given conditions are given. Okay, so given data are follow. So mass MA is given, that is MA, that is 250 Newton. Similarly for mass B is 160 Newton. Mass C equal to 210 Newton. But here the remaining masses did not given in the problem. It is required to calculate the magnitude of D and E. That means mass of D is required to calculate and mass of E is also required to calculate. Okay, and in the question they given properly that their radii of rotations are equal. That means all the radius of the masses are equal. That means RA equal to RB equal to RC equal to RD equal to RE, right? So and the thetas are given. Those are theta A is equal to 0. It is always 0. It is because of horizontal masses. Okay, theta B equal to 60 degree, theta C equal to 135 degree, theta D equal to 210 degree and theta E equal to 270 degree. What I am writing like this, it is because all these angles are measured from the A, right? So that is why I written directly, right? So first of all I would like to draw this space diagram. Okay, so I am going to mark one simple point. You can take any distance to draw the horizontal mass. So this is the mass M1, that is equal to 250 Newton, right? So this is M1, this is not M1, this is MA. Okay, so what is the angle of theta A is 0, okay, theta B is 60 degree for what? 160 Newton. Okay, so from here to here I taken the distance 5 centimeter. $60 degree. So this is the 60 degree. So this is MB equal to what is the mass? 160 Newton. So this is an angle 60 degree. Okay, so in the problem they clearly mentioned the point, the mass B, the angular position of the mass B, C, D and E are 60 degree, 135 degree, 210 degree and 270 degree from the mass A. From the mass A, I drawn the mass B at an angle 60 degree. Similarly, from the mass A, I am going to draw the 135 degree. So this is the center point 135. So this is the 135. So this is MC equal to 210 Newton. Okay, so from here to here 135, right? Similarly, MD value, MD equal to dash Newton is not given, okay, but angle is given, that is theta D equal to 210. Okay, so from the mass A is required to draw the angle 210 from the mass A. Okay, so this is a horizontal line. I am going to make it a reference purpose. So this line is indicates 180 degree. Okay, so total angle is given, that is 210, right? So 210 minus 180, so 30 degree is required to draw the line from here to here. So this is the MD is required to calculate. Okay, from the mass A is 210 degree, right? Here it is not possible to draw the 210 degree by this instrument. For that purpose, I am going to draw the line, horizontal line from this side. Okay, so this is a 180 degree, from here to here is a 180 degree. So 180 degree, so total theta D is given, that is 210 degree. So 210 degree, okay, minus, if we minus this 180 degree, we get 30 degree. So from this horizontal line, it is required to draw the angle 30 degree. That means 30 degree plus 180 degree becomes 210, right? And last, theta E is 270 degree. So this is the exactly perpendicular 90 degree with respect to this mass. So then this line is indicates 270 degree. So this is ME. We don't know the value of ME, but this angle is 270 degree. So here I completed the space diagram for understanding purpose. In this problem it is necessary to calculate by analytical method. Okay, so one more important I am going to ask to calculate the magnitude of D and E for complete the balance, but we don't know the value of these two magnitude of the balance, that is MD and ME. Okay, but it should be completely balanced. Here I am going to write one sentence, that is, when the system is completely balanced, that means I am going to write summation of H equal to 0 and summation of V equal to 0. This indicates means the system is should be in completely balanced. You can calculate 60 degree. Okay, so if all these masses are rotating in the same plane, that means it indicates perfectly balanced. Here I am going to show one simple example. 60 degree plus, from mass A to B is 60 degree, from mass A to B is 135 degree, but 135 minus 60 is 75, plus 210 minus 135 is 75, plus 270 minus 210 is 60 degree. Okay, so remaining this is perpendicular to exactly to the mass A, so that is 90 degree. So 360 degree. If the 360 degree is comes to the maintaining the balancing of all these masses. You take another example, previously problem whatever I solved here. Okay, so this is the 45 degree from the mass 1 to mass 2. Okay, 45 degree plus 45 degree, okay, plus 75, from mass 2 to mass 3 is 75 degree. Okay, plus mass 3 to mass 4 is 135 degree. Okay, remaining I measured here 105. So it's complete 360 degree. Okay, 45 degree is mass 1 to mass 2 is an angle 45 degree. M2 to M3 is 75 degree. M3 to M4 is 135 degree, and remaining this angle is 105 degree. So then it becomes 360 degree. That means all these 5 masses are completely balanced. So that's why in this problem, okay, so by calculating all this degree we get 360 degree. If the value is get the 360 degree, all these masses are completely balanced. So this is the meaning of summation of H equal to 0 and summation of V equal to 0. So this is in terms of horizontal and it is in terms of vertical. Alright, so we know that summation of H, that means resolving horizontal force. Okay, so resolving horizontal force formula is that M A cos theta A plus M B cos theta B plus M C cos theta C plus M D cos theta D plus M E cos theta E. So in previous problem I written the formula. See, M1 R1 cos theta 1, because we written in 1, 2, 3, 4 position, M1, M2, M3, M4. for this question they mentioned clearly A, B, C, D. So that's why I written in the form of M, A, B, C, D like that. Okay. So what is the value of MA? 250 into cos theta A. Theta A is 0. So similarly substitute here. Okay. So MB is 160 kg Newton. Cos theta B is 60 degree plus MC is 210. Cos theta C is 135 degree plus MD, we don't know the value of MD, right? So this is the value of MD, this is the MD, we don't know value, so write as it is MD cos, but theta D is 210 plus, and also we don't know the value of ME, and write as it is cos theta E. Theta is 270 degree, right? Plus 0 equal to 0, right? So summation of S is nothing but this formula should be equal to 0, right? So by calculating this one, 250 into cos theta we get 250. It is because cos 0 equal to 1. 1 into 250 is 250 plus cos 60 degree is cos 60 degree into 160. We get the value with the help of scientific calculator, that is 80. And by calculating this one, 210 into cos 135, we get the value minus 148.5. Similarly, cos 10 equal to minus 0.866 MD, because MD we don't know value of the MD. Cos 10 is minus 0.866. Okay, so cos 70 is 0. 0 into ME is 0, so plus 0, right? So here I am going to write the 0 equal to, okay, by calculating these three value, 250 plus 80 minus 148.5, we get the value 181.5. Okay, minus 0.866 into MD, right? So if I return this side, 0.866 MD equal to 181.5. okay, so MD equal to 181.5 divided by 0.866. so the value will get, by calculating with the help of scientific calculator, we get the value 209.58 Newton. So this is the, we get the value MD equal to 209.58 Newton. Similarly, it is required to calculate the ME, right? So we know that the formula for resolving horizontal force, that is summation of V, right? Here we applied the cos theta, okay, but in this vertical we apply the sin theta. MA sin theta A plus MB sin theta B plus MC sin theta C plus MD sin theta D plus ME sin theta E. So by substituting all these value, so MA is 250 into sin theta A is 0 degree plus MB is 160 sin theta B is 60 degree. Okay, and MC is 210 Newton. Sin theta C is 135 degree plus MD write as it is. Sin theta D is 210 degree plus ME, we don't know value of ME, write sin theta E is 270 degree equal to 0, right? So by calculating this 250 into sin 0 degree, we get the value of this thing. But here I am going to substituting the value of MD. Okay, by substitute the value of MD. Okay, so by calculating these two things, we get 138.56. okay, similarly by calculating these things, we get 148.50. okay, and substituting the value of MD is 209, okay, into sin 210. okay, so we get the value sin 210 is minus 0.5, MD is 209.58 Newton. okay, so sin 270 is 1. okay, so 1 into ME is ME, so plus minus ME. so you can see here sin 270 is minus 1. okay, minus 1 into ME is minus ME, right? So that is equal to 0. okay, so take the ME in right hand side, that is equal to, I am going to write in left hand side, we calculating 138.56 plus 148.50, we get 287.06 minus 0.5 into 209 is 104.79. so ME equal to, by calculating, we get the value 182.27 Newton. so we get the value of ME, so that is 182.27 Newton. so this we get the two magnitude values MD and ME as per the given question. so by calculating all these masses, we get the completely balanced. so here I am going to, here I solved analytical method. so this is the method of analytical to solve the problems on balancing.